What I find really rewarding about this job is really all the challenges. I enjoy having to overcome problems on the fly.
The respect.
Is get to see all the steps of the manufacturing process from start to finish.
Is knowing that what you do is appreciated and that you make a difference.
Kind of problem solving and troubleshooting, pushing our limits in technology and in each other. I'm ABTech.
What I've gained working at ABTech is a sense of appreciation for everything that I contribute to the company.
I've become a jack of all trades and gained a lot of skills in a lot of different areas. I am ABTech.
ABTech presented me with an opportunity early on, giving me many new skills and confidence in my role. I'm ABTech.
The thing that makes ABTech unique is the people that work here and the company culture of helping each other out, calling each other on, being open and honest. I am ABTech.
The optimistic and passionate people are what make ABTech unique. I'm ABTech.
I like the challenges presented when trying to solve problems for customers. I am ABTech.
I love the flexibility that I have in my job.
I enjoy that I'm coming into something new every day. We do a lot of custom products. I'm ABTech.
I like traveling the most about my job, getting out to see the customers in their atmosphere. I am ABTech.
What I like most about working here is the leadership.
I'm ABTech.
Collaborating with people that take great pride in what they do.
I am ABTech.
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 I am ABTech. We are ABTech.